Jai Hind friends, today we would be talking about the modern warfare zone, that is cyberspace. So what is cyberspace? Cyberspace is virtual environment. Actually, technically speaking, it is the electronic medium, electronic networking through which we all connect. That can be anything that facilitates it. Either laptop, desktop, mobile phones, any smart device. Internet of Things has brought it to everywhere. Now, we need to understand what is cybersecurity. Anything by any means we avoid the exploit of any vulnerability into the system or threat is known as cybersecurity. These threats can be exploited through various means by malware attack, ransom attack, phishing, or social engineering. These all comprises of different type of trojan virus, malware facility activities which we have seen. Now, we need to understand why it is very necessary. Today, different countries are deploying their own cyber army to attack on various different regions for their own personal gain, for getting different type of defense knowledge as economic stability, and we can by knowledge brings the power, and getting the datas from various different domains of a nation is really harmful for that particular nation of which data is stored. So what India is doing, we have seen India saw 10,000 website attacks on various entrepreneur sites, which was caused by the region from China and Nepal and Pakistan, which is really harmful. We also saw in every month at least two attacks were targeted at Indian armed forces. Leading to all this, India felt there is a need to deploy its own defense cyber agency, and it was established last year in October 2019. We have seen it is an integrated defense system where all the personnel from the three regions will come together to form a region and fight this cyber warfare. It has two particular reasons. The first is the protecting from the hackers from outside. The second is protecting itself from various and making the plans of various possible threats which can be used into our system. So friends, what is the need for the future? In the future, we have seen we have to get par with our neighboring nations in cyber warfare. We see the times are changing, the battlefields are changing. Now battlefields are the electronic chips which are installed on a mobile phone. So be ready to fight and be ready to take upon the challenge and be secure. Thank you friends.